Exercise 9C1. Just to do a small sketch like this. BC, ABC. BC is 6 centimeter and AC is 4.5 centimeter, and ABC triangle, this is 45. Now the first question is calculate the possible values for BAC. What are the values for BAC? Possible values, it means there are two possible values. And the question number 2, draw a diagram to illustrate. Actually, if you do the second part, then you can understand what is going on in this sum. I'll try to show you that initially. So what is going on this sum? First of all, assume B. How you are going to draw this triangle in a scale, or yes, in a scale. First of all, we want to draw this line. Okay, I'll draw this line. Then what is the next step? Next step, I can see 45 angle. So then from here, keeping the protractor, I will draw the 45 line. Now, this is 6 centimeter. I draw for 6 centimeter by keeping my ruler for 6 centimeter, and then the protractor, keeping protractor, I measure that 45 degrees. Now, how I am going to do that? This one for 4.5. Then I have to keep this one, and I want to make 4-point distance. How we are going to measure 4-point distance? Do you think it's going to be here? Do you think it's going to be 4 point here? Or do you think it's going to be here? Which place? What is the best way of looking at this one? So take 4.5 distance, radius. So this is the radius. And then draw a circle or two arcs. So when you give a two arcs, it will cut like this. Right? So this is the center. Right? So now when you draw, you can see this line will cut in two places. So then either this one also 4.5 and this one also 4.5. You have two options. One is this one, other one is this one. So one is this triangle, and this is the angle size of this one. The other one is 45, and this is the other angle size. So you will get two angles basically, two possibilities. Or I'll take a 4-point piece, radius, and I circle this one. Now you can see the places it is going through. This is 4.5 radius. When I circle, it will cut in those two places. So those are the two angles. So in this kind of situation, now you can see that, okay, I'll consider this triangle. Now I can write the sine rule. I have a two pair, and I have one length, I can find this angle. If you get a acute angle less than 90, it means you got this one. Then you have to find this one. If you get the obtuse angle, then you have to get this one. So we'll work now. So when I consider this is C, so this is going to be A. This is the shadow A. I put A bar OA1. So from ABC triangle, I'll take this angle is X. Sine X over 6 equal sine 45 over 4.5. So sine X equals 6 times sine 45 over 4.5. X equal sine inverse 6 times sine 45 over 4.5. You get this answer 70.52. So approximately let's say 70.5. So then this X is the one we found out, this one, because this is, you can see, obtuse angle. This is acute angle. Then you found out this one 7.5. Now you want to find out this one. Now you can see this is 4.5, this is 4.5. From this triangle, this is an isosceles triangle. Because of that, this is also going to be 70.5. Then this one is going to be 180 minus. So then I will put this is x1 now, not x1 equal 180 minus 70.5, which is 109.5 degrees. So this one is 109.5. Those are the two possibilities. So this is going to be the part 2. So this is the diagram. If you draw the diagram first, you can understand the scenario. Question number 2. In each of the diagrams shown below, calculate the possible values of x and the corresponding values of x and y. So now when you look at, you can understand, you may understand, sometime may not, but if you can't understand, just look at how you are going to draw this one. Then you will feel the possibilities. Now I am looking now this one. This is the sum. How I am going to draw this one? Always we draw with the known length. Right? So this is also a known length. This is also a known length. But this length is more advantage than this one, or this base is more advantage than this one, because I can see, I know a angle. So then first of all I draw AC. Then I bring a protractor and I can measure 40 degrees line. So that's done now. Now from A, I want to draw 8 centimeter. Now what is the possibility of 8 centimeter? Then I will bring 8 centimeter radius pencil. Then I will keep this one. Actually, I'll find something smaller. Now this is a 8 centimeter radius. Now I'll keep this, bring this one. I'll keep A on A. Then I'm circling it. So when I rotate this one like this, I can see it will cross here. The path will cross here. Then path will cross here. So those are the two possibilities from A. Now this is 40 and this is, if I take this is X, then this is going to be Y. If I take this is X, I'll take this is X bar, then this is Y bar. This is the two shadows. So this is 8 and 8. So those are the two possibilities. A, C, and this is B. Another one is B dash. So now we'll put sine rule and let's work out. So I have, I'll consider big triangle ACB, ACB dash triangle. The big one. Now I can see what is the known length. I think I know this length as well. This is 12 centimeter. Now this pair and this pair. So first of all, I'll consider this one. This is going to be sine x over 12 equal sine 40 over 8. So this is going to be sine x equal 12 times sine 40 over 8. I can cancel out by 4. 3 sine 40 over 2. Then x equals sine inverse 3 sine 40 over 2. So this is going to be 74.6, and now it is going to be this one, and this is one going to be 74.6 because these are isosceles. AB and AB dash are similar distance. Then the other one, this one, x bar mean 180 minus 74.6. This is 105.4 degrees. So this is 105.4. Now what is y value? Y value is going to be 180 minus, this is triangle, add up to 180 minus 40, then minus 7.6, which is 65.43, significant figure. And the other one, y bar means 180 minus 40 again, but this angle is now bigger, that is going to be 100 plus 105.4. Then this difference is going to be 34.6 to 3 significant figures. Now this is part B. When you look at this triangle, this is ABC. This is also going to be same. I can see two known distance, but this is more valuable because I know one angle here. Now if I try to draw this one, first of all I draw this one AB, not BC, because this is more important because there are more data. Then I draw AB line. Then I draw this line. That's how you want to look at. Now I want BC to be 21. Then there are two options. Right? When you draw BC to be 21, you will get two options. So one is I leave as it is, other one is here. So this is going to be X and this is going to be X bar. Either this option or this option. So I did the shortcut this time. I didn't try to circle it, but you can see when you circle, so this is going to be like this. So this distance is 21. Now let's find this angle first. Now I know this pair, and when you consider 40, I can find X from sine rule. From sine rule to ABC, sine X over 42 equal sine 21, sine 25.6 over 21. So sine X equal 42 was multiplied by sine 25.6 over 21. X equals sine inverse 42 times sine 25.6 over 21. This answer is, so this value is going to be 59.8. 59.8. Then we found out the small angle 59.8. Then this is also 59.8, and this one is 180. Then x bar is 180, 59.8, which is 120.2. Now I'll take this angle. If I consider big triangle, this is A, and if I consider small triangle, this is going to be B. So A value equal 180 minus 25.6 plus 59.8, which is 94.6. Now if it is B, so B mean 180 minus 25.6. This is B, mean I am considering AB, let's say D triangle, right? ABD triangle. So this B value is going to be 180, 25 plus X bar we found out 120.2. Then B value is going to be 34.2. So this is going to be 34.2. 34.2. Now I have two triangles. One is this one. So it has 120.2, this one, or the other one, this is 20.6 and this is 34.2, and this is going to be Y now, and this is 42 and 21. This is one triangle, so this is A, D, B. The other one, this is 42, this is A, and this is C, and this is Y, and this is 59.8, this is again 25.6, and this is going to be capital E. This is 90.46. So I break this sum into two sum, this one, because those are the two options we have. So D is C, actually D value, this D. Now we have to find Y. Now we can write Y over sine 34.8, 34.2 equal 21 over sine 25.6. You can use this one as well if you want. It's also fine. So then here Y equal 20 times 21 times cross multiply sine 34.2 divided by sine 25.6. This value is 27.3 to 3 SF. Now we'll consider this one. Y divided by sine 94 equal again this is 21 over sine 25.6. Then Y equal sine 94 times 21 over sine 25.6. So this value is going to be 48.43 SF. Now, do you think that when you look at, you can, so this is part C, instead of looking in the mind, the way it's drawing, can you just recognize that what are the two options just with just a glance, with the short technique sometimes? So when I look at this one, 5 is here, 50 is here, then this is the one, the, this is the one is going to be um, two options, or simply you look at Y, then Y has two options. What are those options? One is the higher Y, other one is the smaller Y. This is the smaller Y. So in that case, this is the acute angle, this is the obtuse angle. So those are the two options. When you look at, you can guess it. So then I will take this as x, then we'll work out x, sine x over 5 equal 4 over sine 50. So sine x equal something wrong. This has to be sine 50 over 4. Sine 50 over 4. Then cross multiply 5 times sine 50 over 4. X equals sine inverse 5 sine 50 over 4, which is 73.25. So this is 73.25. Now we'll find straight away with the particular Y. So okay, now we'll calculate the other angle as well. This is x bar. So x bar mean this is 73.5 and x bar mean 180 minus 73.25. So that is going to be 106.75. This is 106.75. Now we'll work out this higher value. So for that I need to calculate those two now. Okay, I will take this as, yeah, x. Now I took both x. So let me change to the a. So this is a, right, a equal. Now x is going to be, x has two options. Okay, I will consider this one, major x equal 180 minus 73.25 plus 50. I consider bigger triangle, this is 50, and this one. Then x will be 56.8. And so the bigger triangle is 56.8. We'll find the small angle as well. Let's say it is B. Then B equal 180. This is the triangle. I'll put this point is D. So 180 minus 50 minus this one, 106.75. So you can write like this as 180 minus 50 minus 106.75. So but usually we write the mathematical way. So 50 plus 106.71, you add those two together and minus from 180, both right, there is no error anything. So this is going to be 23.2. The small angle is 23.2. Now what are the two options we have? So okay, I'll quickly draw two options. One is bigger triangle, 72.25, and this is 50, and this is 56.8. The other one is this one. So this is AC. This is also AC. This is 23.2. This is still 50. This is B and B again. And this is 106.75. So I will take this is y1 and y2. So y1 over sine 56.8 equal 4 over sine 50. So y1 equal 4 sine 56.8 over sine 50. This is going to be 4.37. And the other one now, this one, y2 over sine 23.2 equal again 4 over sine 50. So y2 equal 4 sine 23 over 2 over sine 50, 2.06 the value. Question number 3. A B is 10 centimeter and ABC has to be 30. ABC, so this has to be 30. And question number 1, KCMC is here. Calculate the least possible length that AC should be. The least possible length. So this is one AC, another AC. So when you look at this one is much less than, right? This is much less than, much less than. Okay, I think this is going to be the least one. When you look at the which C is the better C, because I need AC has to be least. So this is bigger than this one, this is bigger than this one, this is bigger than this one, but this is the least when you get 90 degrees. So now this is the C, required C according to the question 1. It means it's going to be 90 degrees, then this is 90, 30, this is 60. And so I need to calculate this AC. So this is one pair, this is another pair. AC over sine 30 equal, from sine rule, AC over sine 30 equal 10 over sine 90. So AC equal 10 times sine 30 over sine 90. Sine 90 is 1. This is 1, so 10 times sine 30. Sine 30 is half, so it's going to be 5 centimeters. So this is 5 cm, the least one. This is part A. Part B, now this length is extended to 12. Now C is going to be here. So now this is 12 centimeter. And we want to find now ACB, this angle, let's say X. So X over sine, sorry, it is going to be angle. So sine X over 10 equal, sine X over 10 equal 12 over, sorry, sine 30 over 12. So sine X equal 10, sine 30 equal half over 12. 10 half is 5 over 12. X equals sine inverse 5 over 12, which is 26.42. So this is going to be 26.42. And part C of this question, so AB is 30, this is 10, and AC has to be 7. So then from the 7 radius, when you draw the 7 radius circle, so you have two options. One is this one, the other one is this one. So this is CO, C dash, right? We want to find these angles, and this is 7, this is also 7. Now on the part B, it is the same thing. On part B, we didn't have any two options when the AC length is 12. But when the length is 7 centimeter, we have two options. It means really we don't have two options. So what? It means that one is 12. So 12 means it is a big length. When you draw a line from here, so it will going to be like this. Only one side from this AB, other will be in this side. So it's going to be a different sum basically. So usually we used to work with both options in one side. Now in that case, that option go to other side. That's fine. It is just for your just general knowledge. So now let's work out. This is 7 and this is 10. And if I take this is X, I'll take this is as X, and we'll consider big triangle. So then sine X over 10 equal sine 30 over 7. So sine x equal 10 sine 30 over 7. So time 30 is half. Half of 10 is 5 over 7. X equals sine inverse 5 over 7, which is 45.58. So this is 45.58. And this is 7, because of that this is 45.58. Then this is, I'll take y, 180 minus 40.58, that is going to be 134.42. Question number 4. So just to get an idea, AB is 4 centimeter and BC is 6 centimeter and ACB is 36 centimeter. That if I draw BC like this, 6 centimeter, this is 36, because with this one it has more data, 36 here. So if I bring into a horizontal like this, it is easy to get an idea. And now, so this is actually not BC, this is CB. Now this is going to be A. AB has to be 4. It means there are 2 options. So that is a good way of doing it. So then this is C and B, and BCA or ACB is 36. So this is 36 and this is 6 centimeter and this is A. Then we have 2 options for B. Actually, see, this is wrong now. This is AX, but the fixed value is B. I'll take B is fixed. So this is AB is this one. This is 36. So there are 2 options. This is A, this is 4 centimeter. So let me take this is as X. This is 4 centimeter actually. Sine. I'll take, this is not the X, I'll take as this one. A dash sine X over 6 equal sine 36 over 4. Sine X equals 6 times sine 36 over 4. X equals sine inverse 6 times sine 36 over 4, which is 61.84. Or this one y. We can find this is x, then this is x. This is y equal 180 minus x 180 minus 68.84, which is 118.16. I can see this is a small angle, other one is big angle, so I'll stay with the small angle. So this one is 180, A equal 180 minus 36 plus this is 118.16. 118.16. So this is going to be 25.84 degrees. Question number 5. First of all, we'll uh, uh, what is going on basically. AB is 4.5, BC is 6.8 centimeter, and ACB 36. Actually, this one is very strong BC thing. So now I'll start drawing. This is B. This is C, and this is 36, and A is somewhere here. AB has to be 4.5, B is fixed. Then we have two options, A or A dash. So this is 4.5 and this is 4.5, like this. And this distance is 6.8. BC is 6.8. Now let's start working on this one. First of all, we want to find which triangle. This is x1, this is x2, 4.5. This is a known pair, this is another pair. So sine x2 over 6.8 equal sine 36 over 4.5. Sine x2 equal 6 point times sine 36 over 4.5. x2 equals sine inverse 6 point times sine 36 over 4.5. This is 49.07. And so this is also x2. Now x1 is 180 minus x2. 180 minus x2 means 49.07. So this is 130.93. Now this small angle is A with this small triangle. Big angle is B with big triangle. Big triangle. Now A is, I'm looking for this angle, is 180 minus this one, 130.93 plus 36. So this is B, 13 point. B is 180 minus 36 plus x2. 180 minus 36 plus 49.07. I have to do a correction. This is not 36, 30. 30 and 30. And this is 30. And this is 30. And this is 30. This is 19.07. This is 100.93. approximately 101. This is 133.93, approximately 131. So this will be the largest angle. Question number 6. This is 40 degrees, 60, and this is also 60. And this is A point, and this is, I will take C and C1, C1 and C2. Now, first of all, I'll consider big triangle, and I know this two pair, and I can find can find B from here. So sine B over 80 equal sine 40 over 60. So sine B over, this is going to be sine B equal 80 times sine 40 over 60. So this is cancel out. This is 2 and this is 3 and this is 4. So 4 sine 40 over 3. B equals sine inverse 4 sine 40 over 3. Sine inverse 4 sine 40 over 3. So B is 59. Now this is 59 and this is 59 as isosceles. Now A is 180 minus 59. That is going to be 121. Now this X is X equal 180 minus 59 plus 59. 180 minus 118, which is 62. Part B, the assumption. The assumption is ball swings symmetrically.